We're doing it on Omega. This is episode 380, part 1. DRYTRON versus Prank Kids. Looks like I went first. Not a good hander at all. Jesus. Place adds drops. I drolled him. Polly. What did he use? Rocks and lamps for ride. Lamps. Rocket ride. Lamps is gonna burn and dropsies, normal summon dropsies. Goes into a toad. Rocket ride, tribute itself. Target 2 prank kids, non-fusion monsters with different names. Special summon them from graveyard. They cannot attack this turn. Oh yeah, it's his battle. Oh, they cannot attack this turn. Okay. And perm on the Toad, and Toad was forced to negate taking my imperm. So that's Toad's effect. If it's sent to the graveyard, what? Like a 1 water monster in your graveyard, add it to your hand. Okay, red has fusion. Dragoon. Pop. Attack. Dropsies. Meow. Thank its place. Dragoon. Place. Dropsies. Effect. Dodo. And Fansies. What? My hand attack. Okay. Lapses. Dodo, add the Pandemonium. Fusion spell. Rocket ride. Lampsies, rocket ride. It's gonna reduce. And it's gonna special. Rocket ride, tribute itself. Special summon. Dodo, tribute, target 2 pancake cards, different name, add it to hand. Oh, bark, Roxy's. What? Banish 1 card from your hand if you draw 1 card. Special summon a prank its monster in defense. Defense. Oh, okay. Yeah. Place is gonna add Fansies. He's just gonna end pranks and fizz. Shuffle 3. What did he shuffle? Rocket ride, dropsies, lampsies. Oh, Bark's gonna tribute itself. Prank Kids monsters can be destroyed by opponent's card effects. I tried popping, it didn't destroy. Bark's effect. Diviner. It's gonna activate effect. And Veiler. I did not negate. Battle, destroy, direct attack. I'm just gonna Pandemonium. What did he do for Pandemonium? Okay. Chain link 4. Wow. What the heck is going on here? Tried. What? Yeah, I negated place because if you link summon, you would have lost 500 attack. There you go, he's got another place. Every time he fusion summons, Frank kids get 500 attack with the place. Every time he link summons, my monsters lose 500 attack, but it's only at once per turn. He just surrendered there. I don't know, I think he could have won that one. Maybe if he would have kept, if he grinded it out and just kept doing place to reduce his attack and gain his attack. I win that one, he wins this one and this one. Part 2 and 3. Set in some back row and forbidden droplet. He goes for his Fanzus. Link. Effect. Special. Dodo's gonna add. Drops is gonna gain a special. Okay. Rocket Ride. What the heck did he add? Double Pandemonium with the Dodo. Jeez. Did he add? Twin Twister. Discarding Alpha. I should have saved this for something else. I had this. I use it on Bell. God damn it. Yeah. Call by the Great Bell. I should have used it on this guy right here. I should have used it on Bao Park, and I could have won already. No, because he would have had his effect. Bark or Meow Meow. So if I would have used it on Bark, he could still Regeki twice. These guys cannot be destroyed by card effects. I get Ash, Zeta Benten. Nova, Gamma. I was about to go for a Lyrilisk right here. If I would have went for a Lyrilisk, I would have Zeused him. Whoa. Right here I tried going for another Lyrilisk. And he battled Butler Tribute itself to Raigeki. Cyber Emergency Delta. There it is. Access code. Oh. Last one. Like, look, come on. I'm not the only one who bricked. Watch, it's just gonna be his turn. He draws. Then ends his turn. If only I would have drawn good. Yeah. I just passed. And he goes off. What happened to the other parallel exceed? Is he locked into Rankins? I have no idea. Jeez. What the heck did he grab? And then one him in pranks. Okay. Does he go for OTK here? No, it doesn't go for OTK. Is it OTK? No, it was so close. What drew the other brick? Come on. Duster. Access code Doka. Finishes off with, oh, it's not over yet. It's not over yet. Now it is. Weather washer, finish him. Oh. Does he have a deck? Oh, he does have a deck. 380. Let's check the rank here. I was at 1487. 1475. Let's check out his deck. 380. Where is that? 380 right there. Alright, here we go. Oh, we did. We probably misclicked or it was locked out. I'm not sure why I didn't use the other parallel exceed. A lot of back row. Alright. 191. Still at 191. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.